Today I'm going to show you how to clean the rim of your CrystaLac tumbler. The first thing you're going to do is take your X-Acto knife and just bring it around the edge. I sort of angle it towards the inside of the cup, but I'm focusing on getting anything off the top, not so much on the inside unless you have some really problematic spots. I don't tend to scrape too much on the inside, just go all the way around the top until everything is clean off. If you need to, you can scrape the inside. I just try to avoid that so I don't scratch anything. But see, I have that piece right there, so I am going to scrape that out. So I wipe it all clean, and then I bring it to my sink, where I'm going to fill it up with water. I use hot water, and I fill it all the way to the top. I always put it on a towel and wipe down the sides in case I need to, but I'm talking like fully to the top, and I'm gonna let this sit for a couple hours because then it's just going to scrape right off, and I just use my fingernail to clean any bits of paint or bright tone out of the inside. And then the last thing I do is I take a magic eraser. So I just use the store brand and I get it wet with a little bit of water, and it's hard to show you with one hand, but I just scrub the inside of the cup with the magic eraser and I dry out the inside, make sure the outside is dry, and you have a clean rim. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.